Our paper presentation topic is about smart door lock with IoT device. Let me introduce my teammates. Those are Manoj, Praveen, and Chintan under the guidance of Anusha A and ma'am. And go into the session, sir. It contains about methodology, software implementation, software and hardware specification, and software simulation and output methodology. Internet and Raspberry Pi is the main bridge for this. Raspberry Pi. Internet is the main bridge to the device for mobile phone and Wi-Fi mode. Here the user gets the notification alerts to the mobile device, and even the user can enter the pin code for sending the command to the system software. And Wi-Fi mode is connected to the system. Raspberry is the main bridge for the sensors, cameras, and locks. Raspberry Pi can be used in Android for comfortable users. The sensors keep checking the detection of the motion. If the detection is tracked through the sensors, it sends the information to the Raspberry Pi, and the capture which is taken to the cameras or for photos or videos are saved in the Raspberry Pi for the further can identify who is in the door. And for lock system, here it verifies if the door should be locked or unlocked. If the verification fails, then the door remains unlocked. And Raspberry Pi is used mainly in Android. Next slide is continued by the
software implementation. In software implementation, there are programming environment, mobile application, cloud communication, and microcontrollers. Next, the data handling, security. In programming environment, Arduino IDE used to write and upload code to ESP32. Next, mobile application. Mobile app created using Link, MIT Happy Link. And next, cloud communication used by MQTT and Link Cloud and Firebase of sending and receiving message. Next, microcontroller ESP32 connects to Wi-Fi. Data handling, basic logic stored in cloud, local data, time of locking and time of unlocking, user who controlling helps to monitoring security. And next, security features, login system on mobile app. Next slide will continue by
hardware requirements, components. We have used ESP32 as Wi-Fi controller. It is used for control locks plus IoT. We have used solenoid lock. It is used for 0 to 180 rotations. Used for purpose is to door locking mechanism. And keypad. Keypad we have used local password. And power supplies, adapter and power source. We can use USB, but we did not use. We have used off board. Off-board is not sir. Buzzer at the ESP connection. With buzzer, it is used for Arduino. It is used for coding plus database and for uploading. Link, it is used for cloud database and monitoring. Android and iOS control door controller, which for circuits. Next part will be continued by Chintan.
Four component ESP32 LCD and servo motor and keypad ESP32. In this four component, that is ESP32 servo motor and LCD keypad, ESP32 is main board. In this ESP32 this is a low cost, and if we enter your password, this LCD shows 6-digit password. If we enter 8 digits, it shows wrong password. Try again, and we will put the right password. The door shows unlocked. This is the output of our project. here we first the door is unlocked. Here we put our password. Then the door will open. The servo motor is first. Then it will lock and afterwards it will.
ಅದು